Alright, folks. Here is my 2012 Fall Fest fireworks show coming up here, October, Halloween. Here we go. One case of Devil Slingshot. That's a Shogun. Fire Striker. Platinum Box. Air Boss. Got two cases back there of the Amazing 8 Instant Replay. Got a case of Supernova cans. It's 12 packs of 8 canister shells. 10 shot hot and spicy. 9 shot cat kaboom. Let There Be Zoom. Crazy Commander right there. Got Clipper 12-in-1. And I got Adrenaline Rush down there. It's another case right here of the Brothers, Band of Brothers. High Profile, Mexican Wave, Natural High, Need for Noise, and that's Pyro Heaven down there. And I got another case of Falcon. This is Falcon Rosin right there. 16 shot Mummy Awakes. Broken Heart. The Big Box Bomb. Fired Up. Great Expectation. And it's the 4-in-1. 36 shots. 6 and I think 8 seconds. Blue Penny. Yep, not too bad. It's gonna be a nice show. Alright, that'll be it.